Let me show you how easy it is to find winning products with Kalodata. So in case you don't know, Kalodata is a tool that analyzes TikTok Shop and also e-commerce data. It lets you easily see what type of products are trending and also what type of video content are converting well. This is extremely useful if you are a TikTok Shop affiliate, a TikTok Shop seller, or someone in e-commerce in general. I will show you exactly how this tool works and I encourage you to follow along. You can get access to a Kalodata free trial with a direct link I'll list it down below. And after you sign up for an account, this is the dashboard that you'll see. So once you're on this page, we can come up here to click on the product tab. And then on the left-hand side here is where we can actually search for the winning products by using filters. So these are all the different types of filters that we can use. And in terms of the date range, it defaults on the last 30 days. So that's a good time period to look at. You also have the option to look at the last 7 days or even yesterday's data. And if you want to look for a specific time range, you can also do that by using the Customize tab. So for this example, we'll just stick with the last 30 days. And then you can select the category that you sell in. So these are all the different categories that you could choose from. So for this example, we'll look at health, beauty and personal care, and let's do sports and outdoor. And then just click on apply. And then you'll see the different categories that we have selected. For the revenue filter, I like to go with at least $10,000. So that shows some type of proven demand. And then let's come into the revenue growth rate. And what I like to select is at least 30%. So the sales of the product is consistently growing by at least 30%. And then in the average unit price tab, what I like to select is 20 to 100. So the pricing of the product is not too low, where the commission is going to be low. And then it's also not too high because I think when the product's price is too high, it also doesn't have a good chance of converting. So I think the sweet spot is between 20 to 100. And then for creator number, that applies to how many number of creators are promoting that specific product. So let me show you by looking at the top 3 products here. I'm going to click on the top 3 winning products that's in the last 30 days of TikTok Shop. And when we open each one, we can just scroll down to the creator tab. And under creator, you can see that this number 1 product has more than 7,800 different creators that are creating for this product. And then when we go to the second best-selling product, we can do the same thing. There are over 6,000 number of creators promoting this product. And then when we go to the third best-selling product here, we can do the same thing, come down here, and there are over 2,700 creators promoting this product. So from those data that we just looked at, the top 3 best-selling products that's on the TikTok Shop have roughly 3,000 to 6,000 creators promoting. So what we want to do is that we want a lower number. So I would say maximum number of creators would be, let's say 1,000. So I think that would be a really good range for us to find the more untapped winning products. And then when we come down here, I like to go with the product rating as well. So we can make sure that we only promote good products. So let's go with minimum 4.4. Click on apply. And then when your filters are all set, we can come down here and also click on submit. And then you see all the filters that we have selected here. And then on the bottom here is where we can see the results. So this screen is really straightforward. We see the product info here, the revenue in the time period that we selected, the revenue graph, the revenue growth rate, the number of items sold, the highest revenue videos for each product, and then we can see the product rating here, the average unit price, if there's any shipping fee, the commission rate of the product, and that applies for if you are the affiliate, the number of creators promoting this product, and also the launch date of the product. So let's say if we want to look for products that have a closer launch date, we can come here to adjust the filter. And let's pick within 180 days. So within the last 6 months of the product launching. And then let's click on submit again. And then we'll look at the updated results. And then you see a list of products that have potential to be winning products. So what I like to do is that I just like to look at the graph here. So something like that seems to be healthy. So I will just open this up. So we can just come here to click on the product. And then it will bring us to the product page. And you see the product here, the product price, the ratings, the commission rate. And then you can also click on view on TikTok and it will bring you to the official TikTok shop link. So this is the official product listing on the TikTok shop. And let's come back here. And when we come down here, we can see the core metrics. So in the last 30 days, these sales are very consistent and is clearly trending up. And we can see that in the last 30 days, this product has generated $216,000 in revenue. The average unit price is about $27. And if you want to look at the larger time frame, you can just come here to click on last 90 days and you'll be able to see the last 90-day sales data. So that was a big spike a couple months back, and then now it seems like that is trending back up slowly and gradually. So when we come down here, what we can do, we can also see the number of creators. So these are all the different creators that are promoting this product. And as you can see, the top creators has generated this amount of revenue, sold this many items. And then when we come down here, we can actually see exactly which videos who are generating the most amount of sales. So for example, this video has generated 1.56 million views and have generated over $35,000 of sales. And when we come down here, we can see a list of these videos who are getting results. So we can take a look at this one. So this video specifically has gotten over 673,000 views and generated over $14,000 in sales. So let's check out this video by clicking on this.
I'm not even going to say anything, just watch.
To 95% of plaque got removed in 1 year.
So basically, it'll keep your arteries clean.
It's called nattokinase.
Japan versus America. I mean, do you see the difference? Japan is some of the longest living people on Earth, and when it comes to heart health, they eat something that researchers are now raving about. It's a cultural dish called natto and has an enzyme in it called nattokinase. It is being said that it does the plumbing in your pipes, reverse arterial blockages to have arteries like this versus like this. Listen, I'm not a doctor. I can't guarantee these results for you, but as someone who has a family history of high cholesterol and heart issues, this is worth looking into. Fair wording though, not all supplements are equal. Most every other brand has less than 10,000 fibrinogen units. 10,000 is what you want to start seeing reversal in the arteries. It's a clinically researched dose. This one bottle is an 80-day supply. Only problem with this product is it's always selling out. So if you still see the orange cart down there, I'd hurry before they sell out again.
So that was basically a informational and educational type of video. And let's say if you want to learn from this video and you want to extract this transcript so that you could actually create your own version of it, you can come down here and just click on transcript export. You can click on this and then you're going to see export script. And then just a couple seconds, you'll see the exact script here. Now you can copy this script and then you can edit it in the ways that it's more personalized to you. So this will save you so much time in terms of scripting your own video, or you can also just click on the script optimizer. So once you click on that, it's going to open a new screen and you'll come to the AI script writer. And this basically will help you break down the script. So here you can see that it lists out the selling points, and you can also add in any additional selling point if you want. And then we can just click on generate here, and then it's going to basically rewrite the script for you. So as you can see here, it's going to analyze the product feature, generate the attributes and selling points. It's going to analyze the target audience, and then it's also going to check the script compliance, and then it's going to plan out the whole script structure. So this option basically just helps you rewrite the script faster. So this will definitely save you a ton of time as well. And when it's done, you're going to see the two different scripts here, script 1 and script 2. And then you're going to see the detailed breakdown for each. There's an opening, the storytelling, the key specs, the core function highlight, the demo, and also the urgency creation. And here you see the visual description, like what you want to do in the video, like visually, and this will be the audio script. So this is basically what you're going to be saying in the video. And you can click on the copy here, and then you're going to be all set. And then script 2 gives you another option if you want a different angle. So once you determine which one is better, you can save the script. So we can click on the save button. And let's say this is supplement 1. And when you click on save, and then it's going to save in your library. You also have the option if you want to export the script, if you want to save it as a separate file. You could do that as well. And then if you want, you can also generate video from this script. So let's click on generate video, and then the AI will basically analyze it. And it's going to take us to the confirm basic information page. And these are the product images. And let's say if you have a product on hand, you can also take pictures of it and upload them here. And then we can select the dimension here. So we'll stick with 9:16. So that's a vertical format. And then we can select 15 seconds for the video, 720p. We can stick with the standard model. And then let's click on generate. And then we can click on the library. And then we'll be able to see the progress of the video generation. So this is a feature in Kalodata that can also help you create content on these products faster. And then when it's done, we can come here to check out the video.
For daily cardiovascular support, this nattokinase complex is my go-to. It delivers 10,000 FU with CoQ10 and garlic in easy vegetarian capsules. It supports smooth circulation daily. Grab yours on screen right now.
So that was the UGC style type of video that I created for you about the product. So not only Kalodata can help you find the winning products fast, it can also help you create video content fast as well. So this is super useful if you're someone who wants to test out different creatives and also test out different products. So let's come back to the main screen here and let's come into the video and ad tab. Now, this screen is super useful if you want to actually find more proven creatives that are doing really well about any products that's on the TikTok shop. And again, you can also use a different type of filters here on the left-hand side. And let's reset the filters. And this will basically show you the best performing videos across all of TikTok shop. And let's look at this 9 seconds video here. And then we can see that this 9 seconds video has gone crazy. In the last 30 days, it generated 11 million views and generated over $260,000 in sales, which is nuts. So we can actually look at the actual video here. So that was a simple 9 seconds video that has performed really well. And then if you want to look for similar videos, so you can get a different content ideas, you can come down here and look at the similar videos. We can see that in the last 30 days, these are all the different types of videos that are getting views and also getting sales. So this will allow you to find the proven format of the video content that's actually converting. And then if you want to look for a specific product, it's really easy. We can just come back here and then just enter the product name, and then you'll be able to find a specific product. So let's enter toolbox as an example, and then you'll be able to find the specific products that you're looking for or a similar product that you want to look for content ideas. So this software definitely makes researching for winning products and also winning videos super easy. And in terms of pricing of Kalodata, we can just click on the pricing tab here. And then you're going to see the different plans here and also the different countries. So if you're from a different country, you can just select your respective country. I am in the United States, so I will just leave that. And then you're going to see the different options of the plan. There is a starter plan and there's also a professional plan. So for individuals, a starter plan is typically really good for a start. And if you're an agency or a team, typically they will select a professional. And on the bottom here, you can easily compare which one is the better fit for you. The basic benefits are all the same except for the number of searches and submissions that you get, and also the number of the AI credits. And in terms of the premium benefits, the professional plan, they get a sub account. They also get access to the Amazon product research data as well. And then you also have the ability to export creator context as well. But if you are an individual creator, I think the starter plan is more than enough to start, in my opinion. And if you do decide to go with the paid plan, you can also use my code KUMO, KUMO, in order to get an additional 10% off. So that was a quick review of Kalodata. It's definitely a great tool to use in order to save time on researching winning products for TikTok Shop or e-commerce in general. I personally use it all the time, and I definitely highly recommend it. And I will also include a Kalodata free trial link in the description down below as well. So try it and let me know if it's useful. And any questions, let me know in the comments below, and hope to see you in the next one.